Khubor pi baro syakatup Khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesngi kilong. Da kapur kesiang kut keraki san postnem keseng Khasi College. Injurip ye kishnong kaput West Khasi Hills hau Nailar. Kular UDC bat ke top sem ban wengkam ya arngut kinong terai. Bat mi madan chispa andru prangut ban mare thong hamairang. Bat mentangin pa syagi Khubor bakham benya. Kaseng Khasi College ha ka arpu praterik Nailar kalapen kut no ek jing rakhi kemen Golden Jubilee balaseng yaka da kapur kesiang kabi isyong kun bat bansa jingkan mau ha ka history jongka. Da kemensim bakemen bat da jing po jing ping kisamla puli rengkat kinong penyat kinong hikai kihe kihan kibala syakot ngobha kila pendap ya kamadan waking de kirong kirup kibe internet haduk kata-kata. Ka Dr. Kong Amprin Lingdo, Menteri ka Kuat ka Kia ka Jylla, kalalong ka Kongsan, bat uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA kum sembut Kongsan, ha ka ni ka sengi penwai ka Golden Jubilee. Ka Kong Amprin ha ka jingkren ka layro ikimati bala penok baha da ka Seng Khasi College, ban sandur, bantay, bat ban penmi bun kirang bat kitay kensai, ki bala ngam ha ki lumpung terikam babun jat ban kenti ka jat penriu, ya ka Jylla, bat ya ka dong lami ngi barok kawai. Kalau kitbok, ya kini ke college ban kenjok syaki mau mer jong kanam ke burom ha kini ke senam bandang wan. Kalau kentui ki bor berpeniat, bat iki noh hikai ban kentiu syak liar ki lum jong kanam, ya ke ketin ke telit, bat iki dustur kiriti ha ki por bandang wan. Bat nak kaliang uba Adelbert Nongrum, ula kentui ki samla da ke boong. Nang ni syakmat, don kam ban nang kam tre shitom arsya ban poi syakatong. Ula kedaulai teli kimat badi banbo hakmat ha kejingyat lenti jong pi kum kisamla. Kita kilong, ketong, kaplan, bat bantri shitom kat la kat yai. Ha kini kesngi lasa mi ki buskit sya kisamla puli ki belajab ag jingya kok papunjat baka college kala pelong ha kita open kre ke Golden Jubilee. Lapen kup burom ru ikino hikai bala syong that na ki kam IT lut jengki na kebenta ka college bat ki kena puli. Lalek buram ru ikinong ket kam jong gani ke persa rajing start kijing ruai bathyang bat kijing shot short mensim kila pen pangnut ya baro bakani kijing lek men Golden Jubilee kala poi syakasngi bakut.
Premises of this esteemed colleges, 8 departments, important departments that are all functioning within Seng Khasi College, and you also have a class 11 and 12 art stream in your institution. I have sat and diligently watched the entire performance of your institution in that brief video that was presented to us. Meghalaya is now poised to have an education system that is unique only to itself. It is here that the Vice Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University must recognize giving freedom of choices of study to institutions in order to suit their needs. India is a vast nation of a multitude of cultures, religious practices, customs, and tradition. Meghalaya is truly deserving of an institution like Seng Khasi College to ensure that there is opportunity given to it through the intervention of various government schemes like RUSA and other ADB projects, to give freedom to this institution to codify, to understand, to record, and to put into valuable books our practices and customs. There is this feeling of great alienation in education systems that we have inherited in the past. There is no doubt that there is this suspiciousness in understanding the British presentation of syllabi. Today, we feel threatened that in the 20s, we still do not have the freedom of education to allow our states and their communities grow and to gain knowledge and to record knowledge for future generations. I was much impressed with the prayers showered to us by a religious head of the Senkhasi, Kajindwai Kari. Question is anyone codifying these practices? Are we going to be continuously conditioned to practices, visionary practices of governments as distant as Delhi? Do we have scope? And that is why the government of Meghalaya has instituted community colleges, a grassroots form of education that will enable the people of the state of Meghalaya, headed by very qualified teachers and scribes who have gainfully received enough experience, enough knowledge to be able to branch out to a cultural study of the people of Meghalaya. This is a very apt platform for us to encourage the Senkhasi. I am sure students of Senkhasi are not predominantly practicing the traditional language. This institute caters to citizens from across the state who have their own religious practices. We must ensure that we will be able to be empowered with a language that is recognized by the government of India. We are fighting for this. However, in preparation of all the documentation that is required, we, the government of Meghalaya, would expect Senkhasi College to be one premier institute that will help us present our unique case to the government of India. Yes, this is a long drawn dream of the people of the state of Meghalaya. But dreams which have longer journeys and harder hurdles will always be dreams that will be cherished with great patience in the years to come. I encourage the Senkhasi College continue to protect particularly the language of the people speaking the Khasi language. I encourage you to start unique library facilities. I encourage you to codify and record those beautiful songs. Ktin Temen, Buram Kabatam, Hanging Hapate. It brought back memories of my parents who would hum this beautiful song with great meanings to us when we were growing up as children. Today, people like us are guided by this tradition, guided by this culture. It is for you, the students of future Meghalaya, to ensure that you codify, you keep on record, and you institute practices of research which will place our community, our dialect as unique and distinct in this entire nation. Unfortunately, I have been given different assignments this time.
Words of thank you. Especially for the recent election, which this constituency, prestigious constituency, which are known as the brain and heart of the state. I'm so lucky as a second time representative who are going to represent from this beloved constituency, whom they all prove that principle. One, the money. This is a word as we we use to mention every now and then collation means God bless. On this very occasion, in remarkable joy of this prestigious college, Senkhasi, I first and foremost extend my congratulations to each and everyone for reaching this journey of 50th anniversary celebration. Let me remind myself and also all of us who are present here that let's turn ourselves by reminding that sometimes we may feel that we have achieved many in our journey. But let me recall that while looking ahead, many things need to accomplish the unaccomplished tasks which dwell upon each and every one of us. Today, we recall not to forget our beloved pioneers, what paved way to this beloved college as it is today, and it can produce many of our beloved youth, beloved students to become an important asset of the beloved state as a whole. I also love to remind, but let me recall, today, yes, of course, the present. Although we belong to the past, but we never belong to the past. The future don't belong to the present. Well, let's not forget the fact that we are the asset, we are the instrument, we are the framers for the future generation. I'm so thankful for the college as a whole, who also give me an opportunity to be part of the celebration. I would like to remind especially that today we have faced many challenges. We are just seen by our naked eyes. We have witnessed how beautiful the traditional culture, the traditional practices that we always should remember, that love oneself and respect others. This will clearly help out our state where once upon a time, I also love to remind that during the British's time, before they gave the throne of ruling our nation, they did ask to our political leaders at that point of time, what do you want us to do before you leave us? What do you want us to do before we leave you? And what the reply? Such a wonderful reply. Our political leaders, which we have to respect them, their reply, just leave us as you found us. This is a message which I dare to acknowledge myself for being again elected. I'm so proud that I promise that I'm not going to compromise the chair with the coming generation, for which I believe that the unaccomplished task will be able to carry on forward with the help, with the joining hands, for which I love to be giving myself through my service a justice for each and everyone without differentiating, without discriminating. This is the time that especially our beloved youth, whom we have acknowledged
Kajingya kren penbet put happening ka Meghalaya but Assam na kabenta ka West Khasi Hills kalalong haka atpu pratrik Nailar ha Shillong. Ki artali ki regional committee jang ka Meghalaya but Assam kila munjur banlit kmi iki jaka ha West Khasi Hills ka bansalong ha Nailar mentau snem haka ayom senrai. Habakren bikila pathai Khubor hadin kajingya lang chairman ka regional committee West Khasi Hills uba Paul Lingdo kumje chairman ka Kamrup district umintri ka sarkar Assam Chandra Mohan Patwari kila pentip baka kambasa kalong banit jirip markmat ikjaka kaput ha West Khasi Hills ha Nailar mentau snem. Kilet huru pakatay ka jinglet jingo bat jirip ikishnang ha West Khasi Hills kalong hadin balakut ka darbar senrai.
Minister Forest and Environment and Chairman of the Regional Committee for the Khubor sector. And he was joined.
Yes.
So, Honorable Minister Mr. C.M. Patwari, Chairman of the Regional Committee, Khubor sector, led the Assam side, was accompanied by senior officials, including the DC and SP of Khubor district, and from the Regional Committee West Khasi Hills sector, I led the Meghalaya side and was accompanied by MLAs, Renipan, Momin, and yes, also Mr. Notorious and Mr. Hajjok, member of the District Council, DC, SP, and DC West Khasi Hills. So the discussions were very productive. The discussions were held in a very congenial atmosphere, and substantive progress was reached to these discussions. First was that we had narrowed down the areas of conflict or areas where both states have claims and counterclaims. We have narrowed down the number of such areas, and to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets. The two DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list, which will then the two regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly sessions. Both Assam and Meghalaya have assembly sessions in the month of September, but towards the end of September, we will go for an on-site visit. The areas we will try to cater to 4 or 5 villages and choose a central point as the meeting point, and we then go on a few of these site visits in the month of September. So briefly, that was the content on the discourse that happened today. So, Mr. Patwari, anything further on that?
General committees and had a very fruitful discussion, and Meghalaya committee is being led by Sri Paul Lingdo, Honorable Minister, and MLAs and MCLAs and other officials, and our team also consists of our deputy commissioners Kamrup and SP Kamrup, and the guardian secretary Kamrup. He is also an IS officer, Sri Lakshmanan. So we had a very cordial discussion today, and we have narrowed down the gap actually. Previously it was a huge gap actually. Now it is narrowed down, and I hope after assembly session of Meghalaya and Assam, because in September assembly sessions of Meghalaya Assembly and Assam Assembly will start. So after the assembly session, we will visit the area and we fix up the date and we will visit the area, and after visiting the area, I hope the discussion will conclude the discussion and we will arrive in a final conclusion of the meeting. So today's discussion was very cordial and very good, of course. And I'd like to extend thanks to Honorable Minister Meghalaya, Sri Paul Lingdo, and his team for organizing the meeting in such a beautiful manner. So I extend my thanks to him, and I hope that this area, East Khasi Hills area problem will be solved within very short time after the visit is done. Thank you so much.
So how many villages will be?
That now I will not in a position to speak, because unless we visit the area, unless you know the mindset of the people of that area, psyche of the people of that area, where they want to stay. So that way, let us visit the area, and after visiting the area, so we will be able to say that so and so number of village wants to stay in Meghalaya, so and so number of village wants to stay in Assam. So right at this moment, it will not be fair if we mention the number of the village.
So have the regional committees decided on the villages?
Yeah, joint visit.
Prior to this joint visit, will there be any other meeting?
No, today meeting, actually 2 rounds of meeting we had already.
Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills ringkat kinong penyat ke karkhana san dobilat top sem hadin bekinong elam jong kaseng kisamla puli Jaintia Students Union kila mana da ke beting ban pensangi kamar dori ki arngut kinong tre jong ke karkhana ki balaken shot halla bat penshit ki pulit ban tangon naphangi ki patba haka arpusau teruk Nailar ke balayelam syakuri hura haka te kesngi kli riat. Menta kesengi ke arpu praterik Nailar, Deputy Commissioner ulakular ban kentui ke Home and Political Department jong ke Sorkar Jylla, bahkan penmi hukum ban phami no kita ki arngut kinong tre jong ke top sem na ke Jylla. Haka juk Khubor kinong penyak jong ke top sem kilakular ban tho Khubor bahajrong jong kani ke karkhana ban weng no ikini ki arngut kenang ba ke top sem bat ki pai pa kin lat ne jing hadin habot. Nakaliang kinong ilam ke JSU kilamanai kinong penyat yakini ke karkhana ban weng mardor yakini kinong tre ban nat nek jirwat apa deng ki pat ba bat kini ke karkhana hagi por bandang wan
tu ga jingjia ga wajia tu ski public hearing yang ka top cement limited ina liang yang ke JSU waro hikubi da dap iga mesin ga wa snausi wa da jia kam tu jingjia ki wa mi de ucha karo kam te na liang yang ke JSU duduk ketu meski hi wajah ada MK jingi kelam mo iwa ini ki officer yang ini ki top cement debu ile kajing persnyau iki wato imam de kwa ai ya ketu ki bru ya ketu ki dikhar arngut ki wada pencit ya ki pulit hak tu meski wa udat ya ki jadru yang i kat wa kamte ina liang yang kaja su ya chimi garai duduk ketu meski wa imam de kwa ai ya kini ki bru wa MG hako yang state yang i wan la katele WE wa katop sem da publish ko support ki Khubor da pensnya wa ini ki arngut da MG ha ka suspension han la kate I naliang ka JSU imam sa huni ite na ba jing cha bom jing cha cho yang bro yang I mi cha mi u ngot ya kate ka ia kata ka jing cha bom cha cho ka jing cha yorot ijat dru yong i kan wa kamte idalai ne ka sngi da dai do yong i hi hani wa u himno i karai wa u yaklami wa ki officer liang ga JSU the TV ya ini ki armut ki khar ki wa konpulmar tu gusngi naliang ga JSU I daw wani ka surprise checking hakinu kinu before wa naliang yung ihi la deja wa chami yakini ki bru wadang em gi hapo kani ka cement plan ka yung ki akani ka top cement yung ka em hapo ka ilaka yung I de I la deja wa ja ki wan yakini ki bru le imbi ba le kani to ka top cement hu ba le yaki na ba katkam ka jing le ka yung ki ka mihap de uchong gi hapo ka state yung I de nadu mentu gasngi daw em kani ka checking ka yung I inu before wa mi tip la deja wa cham idale ba I ka JSU dalai ba go chakman
Office Deputy Commissioner East and West Khasi Hills haka jingit reilang ka District Sports West Khasi Hills Nongstan kila shimenta haka Fit India Movement ban rakhi ya ka National Sports Day haka step arpu pratrik Nailar daka jingya kop mare marathon ka ba 10 kilometer nak benta ki shinrang batsan kilometer nak benta ki khna kanthai ya kini ke jingya kop lawan ban kawe lama do Deputy Commissioner ka District ba Gideon Kharmal Plang la sinran do ba I Nongbri ADC ba DSO ka West Khasi Hills ka kong BCA kinong tre sarkar ni kitanat baper lembat ki pa ya ka nam ladu ha jingya kop 10 kilometer batsan kilometer na kishinrang la ra du samla wan bok lingdo mau plang bat usamla nang wan job marwen kat bah kaliang ki kenthai kasamla iba shongkun kurba kalalong kaladu ha kasan kilometer bat kasamla nerisa nongrum ha ka jing kop 10 kilometer kini kinong job kilayo da kasong pisar rengkat ka certificate
Everyone get ready on your mask, get set, go.
Khubor penyat jangka East and West Khasi Hills District mentakasngi ke arpu pratrik Nailar arjar arpulai kalau pelong ye kejingnya kop le akai kriket parlok hapeding kinong shong shnong ke maut hat rashan blong bat kinong shong shnong ke mairang blok hamadan dom maulu mairang uba emding do EDC rengkat kinong tri sarkar kila penshong shit ikini kinong le akai nagi tegi shnong hakini kejingile akai ke be internet ke mairang blok kalau yok ban khur kendai pun riuran nagi khatsan over kat ba kinong le akai ke maut hat rashan blok kila kaan jangan bor ban lut le air kitor ban poi syakatai ka thong bala bo de kinai le akai ka mairang Hakabakut kapali tit katsan over kamau tha rashan kalayo tang nyopu aran bat kalarem. Ia kena man of the match hakani kejingini akai lara du samla lawan El Maunai ubalayo kat praran bat berlim ar wicket. Ka trofi winner bat loser kalet syakati mairang bat mau tha rashan. Lependeng medal ia baro ar genhun.
By 20 runs. Ke kriket kumbolong mentah kelak day.
Komisi benta bante song ye ki kur ki jan bat ban penek pensa ye ke reti ke dustur jong ke jing shimjat na ki kemi bat ki wei pat ke jing phliu jingmut kesenjuk kirang bakur ke briu new trap South West Khasi Hills District haka apun riu terik ke lepelong ye ke jing lang ban pen scam ye ki nongket kam ki batmai na ke benta ki arsnem bat ye kini ke jing lang lapelong hapo ke hall jong ke snaps im college mau kurwat. Hakani kesngi lepen scam ye ki nongket kam thamai u president ba man study nongrem ba wan box imyong vice president ba bi yonis Jylla secretary ba m dabor jerwa joint secretary ba trailing marwen advisor ba ki khot jang ke executive committee.
Bantrai hok bantrai syedham naga benta kebahagiaan bat panyada ban pendek persa yang direti ke dustur jong dikur kijan kibaham haga sawal kasil unit naga benta kaslamu itekam kebahasnam mentah kesini
Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2000 Araja apply. Kini apply hari bicara dengan adu araja khatra. Ila marba. Hambalong Muslim basuka kini. Ti itu baru ini bakri keren. Jadi aibor kirang bakur Shongkha Shongman, Shimjat, Bengkelanjat, Spell, tapi kijat baru kalau don hangi. Henry kenal kalau balik melakukan pendidikan, melakukan pulangan. Kini kata lagi jingkli kebagi ham dia kunjung. Tinggal nongkren pun ini nanti baruin keren. Malah kan ada kum member nalu kesana anda kat kenai hadu begidam pasien. Jadi ini Aiba ada boy. Tendai dengan tahun COVID-19 yang berpospon. Yang kita adu asam sobrayai, adu kita jauh ke Khubor, jauh ke Meghalaya. Kemudian jauh ke Muskam, yang dimiliki kaum ikut direksi komiti. Jauh ke senjuk ke bakul ke berimu ke hanya South West Khasi Hills District Unit. Dan syukur tukar kemudian. Balasan ke negara senjuk ke bakul ke berimu ke akan nyutri kelaluan cipta arja tak kenal. Yang penskap nukong yang kawai ke syak rekam penkong do hawan sekasi noslan haga arbon dari usap tebal arja kenal. Kebaan syak rekam ke bangga penskap kedai ke is sekasi sik unit hamishan compound Shillong haga laikong dari lain domba arja kenal. Baca dorba bak penkong do kebangi mesti kebat warga pulau yang first General Council Hangdai Shillong Hasna kayi ulang. Kadai ka after itu benai rempang
ada jangan tindak. Ilayan di lembut dikor koram kebanyakan itu susi keba. Kita dalam keba sedang agam founder member badan ekseslah rampuan dua ramdo. Bahar baharman nurung kemudian masuk kaidah yang telah dilakukan. Kumta hanya mentanggung panjang full-fledged president. Ngak kembali presiden habis mentang kembali ban penyanyi jalan baru sejuk sental bodi. Kita ini mengasah ban acknowledge siapi kira bakor kami Southwest kasih. Bat kapan pernah kita balik kondo bagi job itu bagi sektor di dapat itu bakal kau kesatri juga sejuk kira bakor berikan. Bagi kondo kalau menginter sama ikut dijalan kau beri job. Kemarin paling benar pensar dengan riti itu seluruh itu senjata naga kami kami mematuhi dalam sistem. Termasuk si kalau bagi sini pun boleh afiliat dan kami ajak pun penting ay jawab sama penting ay pas kita menjadi lupa kita bagi sejauh di batai kepada kemudian kepada orang gate. Semuanya ini kerana dalam agak beri video terhadap dan bagi tindasan. Hari ini sisa untuk nilai buat form mereka purpose dan usaha. Mereka ini tentang sausan sedang yang ini sejuk tidak betul. Dalam rekam cebul, bantuan hampa kan eksatri yang sejuk tidak betul. Tidak sah tentang sasautri disek. Kalau ini bagi persiam yang istilah sekam. Kawai syariul jatihil, isman was jatihil. Kawai sekam dibuai, berkepala istilah was mainan. Kawai ini mereka tentang ini tentang tidak betul. Bahawa kesalahan disini pendam yang itu. Sendiri kita bakal kamdan ke jadi bantu. Bat kalau kita religious organisasi kamdan jadi, bat kalau kita berkal pergi kamdan jadi, kamdan itu ke NGO dari sengkalan, henry kita sendiri kita bakal dari kita kadang bantu, kesan berkat, kalau jauh kita kita tintang, jauh dari ibadah jadi. Bantek song tentang kam yang kejilok kawai di sengkol kita bakal ibadah clear. Kebahagi seni ada di baladan pun dikurangkan diri belajar dojan. Berstang lagi, berstang hari. Jika dia ni lima kali syantri itu sedih terbakar. Bagi long mungkin syakir senjam, bangin berkat. Kemudian banyak sang yang kemari dan pada saat itu sudah kasih diri sudah dikasih kalah.
Kakenhon jeng hiriu pai ba shimen lingba ka WhatsApp ya ka belajutep kum kakenhon ya rap ya ki ha ka clip mat badan kam sa sin pat kala keneri kila jeng rap Shillong yeng ki beduk ha ka sngi sa jan jong ka tayo beladep kini kakenhon ha po ka jeng lam uba style sing karbateng unong sandur ya kini kakenhon ha ka jeng don langkat tukat ningut ki balai no sinyang khamtam ki bahing sem uba tishal ding kharkongor urang ba shnong ka mau ka syang uba William nong klau rang ba dong ka mau diang diang kila lit ban aimin sim ngolem bat ban pentengen ya ka long ying jong kong Merisha Shangpliang ha ka shnong mau ka syang dong mau diang diang kani kalong kami kala du no dang shen ya ukpa ki khon ubelami na ying banit dis ing sha yaudo henry ka jingja bas ngosi kalawan taplup ya ka ying jongka ha ka ba uladu no ela ka jing em kumbala paw ha kila pathai khubor uni urang ba ulai ino shadin ya la ka kurem bat san ngut ki khon ki bedang red ken thup ye bedang arbanai nakaliang kani ka kenhon WhatsApp haba kala ui ling ba kila pathai Khubor kala wa jing tip kham benya ye ka jing e ba kani kalong ying kamat bat da ka jing snok tilang bat ki badon min sim ngolem ling ba kani ka WhatsApp group bat ki we kila la ban penmi u sinyang u ben hei ban kaner jing rap kum ka jing kershan ye kani kalong ying wat la kalong ka jing rap ka berit
Iwan agak kenun jumlah penting garap ya ki kemat kapidan kami kabri ka WhatsApp group buat wangi I kelap kai Khubor ya ka jinjia ka bososi ba kayin tu ko yuri sha sang kliang na tentu ka jintu no yo ko do dinien buat la I ya di samit kipon ba di kurim mangit oborok ka I ka di kanpa ko jol ko yuri sha kalau ka jingia ka ba kum ka mi kan hapan kit ya kan kor bakia hamtam kon badang baridu di badang arnai de nakaliang jini habang I kelap kai Khubor de ina smokia buat naga jinia selok deng jini kum sporlok wilayah sim ya kini ka karai bangin pumi yuk senyang buat minta kesini ka apuri trik Nailar aja apply yuan sekini kalongi da kajini no senyang lang jang pelok jini badang ko WhatsApp group buat tunjuk buat kebanggaan ko kini ka WhatsApp group jini ru abang kreatif ya kini ka senjang bangi kum ko tungun nisim wilayah semua kilang yuan sekini ka ye mutaksi bangin kat senyang bang yo benum ban IT akan kesini te kajingan di jini kalong ba ikwa ru ban long kanuksa ya tuwi ru paradok prasnam bakini sekumat aba kum kini kalong yin mat kejinge yang sebenang ba itu dan kami tiru bakini sekumat ala kijong kat ba lain te lesi dan teng balawan sini kalong yin ba layo jikir bakiladan balawan insu benang ba ni ai ya bro tu balawan sini kalong yin ban ai sin ken ya kini kalong yin komat ini kajinja susi mengangi skem ba ki weiru ba ki nyami skamat ba ki nya keniat ki jingira ya kini kalong yin kepada ngkam ya jingira ko boy ese amar ba kamtam ba jong ke yin jong no komai dan supat kami kalong yin bukan sang ikon ese pun ya kan kit ya kan luar bakia do kata-kata ya sai sin sebenarnya ban ai play ya borok pelak di balai smok pilan ba ini skem ba inang la banyai sakri ya kini kakam banyara pada senda yang hidup bidang ni di balai pro produk Islam jengi aka jing yarap lan kejang perlu na kulen sudah di oi wan tiba ong ini ba balai ya bang ajirap bang ida radio bang ida tempat pakai lembar di media kada belum ba nikwa ban kini ke jing rekam pasai dan transparansi nang ba borok perlu tiba yang asnya in pun pada sim batin syariah ini ya kata dai ka kajing temu kajini kajing rap jani kamlong tang hatoi ke jaka rei kalong kapuleng sekontak ba milain kum ka kon baret ni kini akti ba ngi skam bala ka kuwi kimi squat ni kin hal itu kon baret kat ka bakila ni kalong itu ko ya pidat ni jani ai kidan pat ban kwa ban pat thai kata kisong be ha kajing suku sima ko kajing ya suku kita pun ya jangan Khubor kum kedak jauh kajing ansim bakutian ni kini kelongiyeng di kong merisa sedang pada kesan pun kunti ke barangdet yang kuat ya isa wandu nombet kalau gue nak tiba ikan talang beni aku pilih kamlet selain nak Khubor panaiki ni guna senyang diberi jeni kong Malaysia Tiatan dito jengai bari jeni kat mangila ngangit skam ba kani kalong ka jeng yarap jeni longien atau ulai mangku kini longien kaklen ke jeni ba mesti hukum yang kiman ngangit skam ba ulai tulong ke ya pitong bari kun ti ba tinang yo ikmat pa sa kan ba keplat ya kumju na tempa bedung semua ya ramba Shillong ba ti katolor bari ramba dong jong ni katong ba W makla banyak semua mau berjam hiburan kue kadang bukan dalam buat kini belangnya mungkin ke sini mungkin keyen lima kan ini kita lihat terus apa yang disebut dengan ham akan kita terbuka kalau lah mengulang ini akan mencegah di dalam support ini pun begini banyak ini kepala begini saya nak yang nasional dalam betul dalam zaman bersejarah dalam murid tunjuk ikut kita sesi penting buat bentuk siang siakan begini sampai nak kalian ini cuma di kita nak kalian kadang hati ini sini boleh no sebelum nak
kalian kini dan hak dari bakal kalonggi umong ha kala tinggi ini kino mo kenuan kepala ban wan ban erap dem ya kani kalonggi dan ipek sya kalong kerja itu tidak kamu kum kami kalau dulu ialah pa dari ialah nungsa betul yang itu yang macam ini dalam hidup teman ini pun kita lihat kita kami saya cibur mau ini telah makan sampai yang kita kesengut kita semua dari dalam titik mulai semua itu kemudian dan itu semua apa kita keluar bentuk yang siapa di kolegi kita akan dikasih kita akan ditengah pau macam air lemon ini kemudian kita siap mesin ban yarap dem mo kami yang ini kolegi sama itu tunjuk nak kalian tengah ke Khubor si nak kedai pi bila mo nak kalian pergi dan siap mesin ban yang lem kita yang kita mau siap ni kolegi oh itu nak mat biang si mo si bon ba dengan bagi cik ai cupi belai untuk ya kini kalau ging ke pamat ni lemba ke cupu tu belai ni ya si nak kalian bunyi ni ba siam tinggal dari lemba ke cupu tu belai ba ni ba kalau ging kan yo ni kita ke cupu sekia ini pertama telefon kita lihat lemba ke cupu tu belai ni bagi ni head sanggo taksi Khubor atau ke cupu belai kita nak kalian tengah ni Khubor tu dong nak akan lekat pamiti tigun dan lang kini Khubor berkunjung urut nak kita itu ibala nak siang hati di sini ibala no nak kita cuti urut dengan boleh bergerak berkumpul yaki bah kinalak besok mo bah no tiga yang tiga mon sekian kilomgi di bamat jike nak kalian cuti urut turun dengan lembah kecing dalam mesti tu boleh lembah kecing berkumpul tu boleh kinalak besok mo bah ni highland sekian kita bamat pun kini jike dengan nak kalian cuti kita dong pada Shillong ro aku beli pi nengai kecil kalau cumpi boleh untuk kui pi aku sini Khubor kawan kita nak kalian dengar dan dia akan di Khubor nak aku beli pi bro tam ya indeng Indonesia sen kalian nengai dan kalian cumpi ro se buat mendang kata komisi berpisah meroi nengai ba kun produk senam di iro bijik dapat kena ko kayu cumpi kita nak kalian cumpi kena buat luai boleh terkerat dengan kuku kedok cumpi tam và qua trong khi lấy nó làm ai vậy thì người ta đặt một chấm khác cho người dân biết người ta cái chấm đậm là ta cái gì cả xem ngay là khi năng lượng rồi người ta cái gì cái gì thắt xuống rồi tăng định những cái này
Kinong elam bad khot jang khanyo Therapeutic Council HYC klay mi lang ha ka arpu pratrik Nailar ha kishnong ha East and West Khasi District ban kentui kinong khayi be kidukan ban sange mardor bande ke dobilat topsem ha kishnong jongki ke HYC kalai sam shithi shekishnong ki bakintup ya kanong ba district Mairang Markasa kinchi nongkasen bat kiwe kishnong ban kentui kinong di dobilat ban sange penyat yau ya ke topsem ke HYC kala persyak jur ya ke jingkan chot bat jingpa bom napang ya ki pai ba da kinong penyat bat nong tri jong ka karkhana san dobilat topsem ha East Jantel District ha ka arpusal trik Nailar ki pulit ke Jylla kum kisi matla kilabut ya kata ka jingkan shot bat penshit jong kita ki brio amla bantip haduk kat no kani ke jingkhang di topsem kan kata ikinong tre bat ikinong bela misteri lada kani ke dobilat kam ni yau ha kate ke district
ka jingher ke jongi nak benta kani ka ada kanta ketika singi ba kalau ngasingi ba kabediau ha ka bidi bat kani ka topsem simen ang nikong ye bidi ha bidi ketika jingjang ti ka puri ring po lum sunong te kumbang juong ba ha bajia kanu ka jingjai ki khot ke jongi kaleng ka bri nu trap ka jai bri jongi du ke panglang te kumta ngi pha ka Khubor sabaro ki pajba jong district ba mentashpor ba ki de ban sangi iswa ban thit yok topsem khamtam naduk inong khayi te ki pajba nong penon kami ni topsem semen bakin sangi no shwa mardor khnang ba kalong ka jingsneng ya kini company ba sim kabu ya kini ka jabru ni trap ke jongi te bar haju Khubor ka sang du ka kentu ya baro ki paj jong ka bri ni trap bikin long kamen sim jong jinge teli namar ba ngi iba haba ujai bru jongi sha thombor malak ki jeka ngi iba teng la di jia chwes kazel ajanti hil ki yo thia teng la da jia spori boy district hadi jeka jongi yo thia hanrei hani ka dei kasin ka ba ningkong e ka ba nakaliang jong HYC habajia kanu ke jingjia ke ba baro hi upat jong bri hunjut udah bini teli lang malon kam tamba ladangi ngi pen iya kene ke jingi teli kinong wei kinong ar kinum la lano bersim kabu ya kene ke jak bri kujungi telada na kalian kujungi padengin melong ki bi teli wei unang tit top sam wei pat dia udang yenia bi de bunu top sam bat wei pat dia udang persyak bi de bunu top sam ladangi dang yalong kumta kamut ba company benabar kisim kabu ya ke jak bri kujungi tenang ni sekemat ga kentu to ai ba kata ke jingi teli kujung ki kalong kabor la ka benta kani kajing persyak kajungi yak tik topsem hawi dai bat kajing sim kebu na kaliang jukti company rengkat bat kini ka sorkar kajungi baling ong beide ba kani ka sorkar ka daw kolong bah bang ui teng i ba kani kajing yakhi kajing yakhi pat ba ngi kam idon syu hangani ka state kajungi kani kala pin i ba kani kajing sensia jung MDA government lasang bersim kebu ya kata ke demokrasi tena kata daw teng lei habang ipeng ilong komik yakini ki nong sensyar kejongi yakini police department kejongi ya bro katanat jongka police department teng habajiak ni syak thombor hi gini ki sngi bladam kajia hang teh po lapengap ngi syak thong ngi pat karbi tikani kanang pin israi ngi khot jong kejak beriu namar teng pat habang yakhi kejak beriu kejongi tang nak mentak hok ngi dewai lo jok hok syak bom syak tit do lati katno kejing ipangmat ngi iba na kaliang jung pulit senrang ubom ya kan thei brio kani kanang ipen srai susu ya kit khot jok jabri hi borok koi tenan ni sakamat ngi kentu ya government bakar de tik seriously ya kani kam lada kam tik seriously ngi iba upat ba jok bri hunjut tapi sisin ka sngi usa pendu jek senia ya ka police department hi borok koi namar balai hadu mental gi pat ba kejungi kila nang try sniu kinong pentrim ke besar khitam ha state kejungi mentang lesang mi iba ka di police department tela dai kadang yelong kumne kan bu jing mai state borok kawai de kum tang akan tu yiki bakin mdai ban sim kebu kanu ke jing ki jong pet ba namar ki dawai ala ke jong ka hop hari gidi benyat dak lenti ke badai namar ba teng haba ngang sui kren ka ngang ong ba habaji kanu ke jing ki ngi ba teng purda ki polis ki jongi ya pet krat nak jaka ki baki di ban ap aku tu ke jaka ban ap para wara ki jing sok ki sanya ke tu jaka hari syak thong ban syak thong ban hagi briu ke banabar bateng padel lada briu jungi uki udawai ka hok syak bom nathi pi kani jingjia jukini hikai wat gi yo hikai syak bom hudu kaptu kanu jing pangmat na kaliang jingi bidong yalam jong ke choice lada jong ke briu hi borok kuai na kata kadau te lada kani ke jinglong ke jongki kadang yai kuman kadang yai sim kebu kani ke jinglong jong pet ba kan bu jing mahi ya state bai ginong senjari borok khoi tang kata
Kindet threat ki pat ba ki belawan jengok dala ki jong ki khmat ban yu i ki sap nela bekerpang ki bami na ke jabing na ki kti bani ban chna tiar chnatar bat na ke jing start ban muddur bat penwan dur ya ka bor yu ir ngai balapen i ha ka sin balai da ke chief minister youth center sorarim ha ka sngi sa jan ka arpun ritrik nailar barok ki tiar gitar ka bam ka sa balapen i nam ha ka ni ka sngi lapen kre bala shet da ki briu na ka ni ka than kani ka rinsan pen i nam ka plelat ki samla don sap ha ka shet jing bam ka sap shnakti bat ki we jing start bat ki sap nela ba ki pat ba kim jupoi perkhat ni muddur ka jing tebet bat ka jing ni ki tiar kitar balapen inam kala penlingo e ki babun ki breu ki balawan jingo e ka ni ka rinsan ha ka te ka sngi wat ki kimi ki pa ki nong krishan ban kenti wi ki sap ki phong jong ki samla kila lengo e ka jing tebet jong ki khun ki kti jong ki ban sandur bat ban chnai ki tiar kitar ba itenat kinong krishan ki layok mensim ban penjur ki lat jingirap na kabenta ki samla ki bala shimenta hakani karinsan pen inam ki tiar ki bala kring bhai ki pat pa ki long ka bam bashyam bunjat bala shet hakru kom bam mlong kendong ki sentiu ki skot bala pen bet renti ban pen pho ki kamra shongkai ki jan barem dor bala pen wandor harukom ki jingdeng rendang ban pen ipho bat pen bhabri wi ki samla kan thai bat chinrang bat ka bakham pelatam kalong ki drone balashna na kasap tenrai hakani kasngi ladon lang uram kumar IAS nodal officer ka smart village movement ba given milim MLA sora bat kinong ilam shnong
Hing te ngala de I nuk manager hangni kum la asnam te mentapat ngala move shakawi position kum ka entrepreneurship development te naduk bala asdang hi genik center ngala don hangni te kat kum ka jingyo I jong ama nong ka jingyo mentoi kini ki khna ki bawan hang ni kedip shibun ba kini ki khna bawan hang ni nam kong nang shap kimde ki khna ki bala ki bastat ki ba lawan na kata ka school hende kini ki khna ki de ba kidan ki ba drop up ki bun ki drop up te ne kini pat ngai I am ki nu ki project ba ki le te ka pen I pho pen pen ha ki bru te habaya de bat connect center ro tengi khat kan no ka bomut de ka self design learning ba ye connect center ba ka jingmut ba ngi ai ka ne ka thong le ne ka goli ki bru ki nong shong shnong pelun ka ne sa rem
Khubor and all the organizations who are associated with the NOK here at Sorarim. And I'm very, very grateful to you as an organization for taking this lovely initiative to empower our rural communities. And I'm very hopeful that with this initiative taken by you as a team, I'm very hopeful that this will ultimately contribute to the upliftment of our local people here at Sorarim and its adjoining areas, which will ultimately uplift and contribute towards progress of our beloved state Meghalaya. Tenagaliang gajonga ngashime negalat banai kublei ya baro ki bayudan benta barkani kanuk hangne po Sorarim bar kumju ikinuk kini kinuk managers blakot sngo bhayanga bangan yopan sakhi yakani ke exhibition hangne Sorarim barbangi skap ya ka jingya linti ka jongpi kum kanuk hangne po Sorarim ngimla balne ni ka jingshisha sisien mangistangi ginunu gikam ki jingye ki ding pinkyang ki babun ki bapya kandu ha ka jingya linti ka jongpi ringi sokmen shika de baling ba ka jingye trelang ka jongpi iwei piwei baro ki belong associated barkani kanuk hangne po Sorarim pyala ashisha.
Thank you for having me here, our Honorable MLA Bagavin, Baling to our new headman, I knew we had other headmen. I'm so happy to see everyone. I'm very sorry for being late. I have not attended any of the NOK exhibitions, so I thought I should make it somehow today, but morning lot of work to finish and come. I'm thankful, very happy to see everyone, the parents, the entire children and the friends, colleagues. Very happy to see you all here. It's a culmination of a lot of efforts, starting from Salesforce help to start something like this. Then this is now we have expanded the idea as the Chief Minister's Youth Centers. So this is a youth center now. I'm very happy for from them, for Sauramandla, for Project DeFi, for the library space, for Curiosity Gym, Huga Energy, who has given the solar for this space, the whole SVM team under which we have started this project, Smart Village Movement Project, Badulena, Divine, Regia, all of you, I think, have made a fantastic effort here. This is the first center, sir. I'm very happy that everything started from Sorarim here and it is going on well. This is almost close to 2 years. If you remember, 2 years back our Honorable Chief Minister was here and with the same place, and we started without an expand. We have done for 22 centers.
Ada ibadat cikimen swear, ngashong ha kelas 9, ngawan hani hanuk bangan wan set jikshet.
Bersibun na pibalo ka tingjong ha kadi anak kirani. School ha lan pulang ha ram kesna ngashong kelas 9. Wan hanuk bangan ban set jikshet.
Ngishet live, ngishet yaki 3 main course. Kita kira starter, main course, but dessert.
Ngai Kublai, ya MLA jongi irang bak senong, nodal officer jongi, secretary, para senong baru mentalang hakani ka explain jongi mentasngi. Teka project kapakasna kalau udrun, uni udrun bakasna kampak lah pelang ada mentah. Kadang gerang dan hikicing wala kalau ngasing beningkong tat bangan sna unik drone walang rang dan tang kendiat kejenang jingte spang galundek snai ngai persyang bangan sna nu drone te kidan ki goi project jangaru bangale apo curiosity gym namar hakasti ningkong ngamut ban join sakani ka self learning dengan patla te student bak bakadan ka curiosity gym Ayok benjon sapo kira sejem menantang ayok jenang shibun sipangki electronics. But dan project kibangan laksana kum ka solar tracker ka home automation. Nanta bakui kiwai dah. Te lada dan jingkli pikwa ban kli kum nong asna kum nong ale kejimut ayot te pilak ban kli yang hakut ngandan be hakut tak boleh shibun lagi gitu.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syaka bakun tak dah duk main syam yang kebeli shibon.